Bombshell.
Yeah, you know about me, baby. Yeah, you know about me, baby. Yeah, you know about me, baby. Yeah, you know what's up.
Hey y'all, welcome back to a new video. My name is Brittney, and today, as y'all can see by the title, we are doing curtain bangs. Y'all gonna watch me curl my hair. Bombshell curls, curtain bangs, like what are they calling this? Bang, I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna do a voiceover, but this look is super easy. I have a sew-in and my hair is probably about maybe 16 inches at this point, 16, maybe 18, 14-ish, and I cut a whole bunch of layers in my hair when I first sewed it in. You need layers, so go ahead and cut your layers. If y'all want me to do a video on how I cut my layers, I can do that for y'all. This hair is from one of my homegirls. Her name is Tech. She sells hair at techhair.com, I believe. So yeah, I got this hair from Tech Hair. I've had this hair for about a year. It's great. It's raw Vietnamese hair, and I have about 2.5 bundles in at this point. And then also my real hair, it's kind of like bobbish with some layers, and so that's the reason why I was able to achieve this look without having to actually cut my real hair. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video if you care, if you love it. This is not a sponsorship, but if you would like for me to do a review on your hair company, go ahead and send me an email and I'll be more than happy to do a hair review on your hair company, and I'll also do some videos or whatever. But if y'all like this, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope y'all enjoy this video, and thank you so much for supporting me. Okay, so the first thing that I'm doing is I section off my bottom row, and I like to start from the bottom and work my way up, and I'm just going to basically hold that in place for about, honestly, I think I do this for at least like 15 to 20 seconds. No, yeah, 10 to 15 seconds. I hold it in place. I have the heat turned up at the highest heat, and yeah, I let it go. And then sometimes I like to hold it together in my hand and like push it up, but I didn't do that this time. And so I'm just gonna grab another piece. And I don't even know what's happening, y'all. I'm using a I think I'm using a 1.5 inch barrel. And sometimes actually what I like to do is run the barrel from the top all the way to the bottom just so it can heat the hair up. And then when I get to the bottom piece, I like to roll that up and then I'll hold it. That's what I like to do. I'm at my mama's house too, y'all. Y'all gonna get used to my mama's house because I'm here for the summer. I have a lot of content planned, so I really hope y'all enjoy this hair video. But oh, another thing is I already cut my layers before this video. If y'all want me to cut my layers and y'all want me to show y'all what I do to cut layers, I can make a video that's specifically to cutting layers, because honestly it's not that hard. But I actually section every piece off and cut it into layers, and I also curl towards the back of my hair. What is going on, y'all? I cannot do this voiceover right now. I curl towards the back. I curl away from my face. No matter what, I curl away from my face. And so now that I have the bottom done, and I don't even do the bottom that tight because I like to retain my length, because y'all can see the hair is not that long. So I like to retain length, so I don't really do the bottom as tight as it could be. Like I like to do the tightness in the front where I have like majority of my layers. I would say the back is around like 18 to 16 inches. I'm not really sure. And so now we're speeding it up. And basically, y'all, I'm gonna curl away from my face the whole entire time. Sometimes when I get towards the middle, I do curl some forward, but that's because I don't like when they get lost. I don't like the curls to join together, and then it just makes it seem like everything is just super, super bulky. So sometimes I do curl forward, sometimes I don't. But majority of the time with this style, I curl away from my hair. And I'm literally having a full conversation with my mom right now. She's getting ready to the right of me. And I'm over here getting ready, girl. And also, y'all, I sewed this hair in myself. So I added some blonde pieces into it. I took some of the hair and I bleached it. And then I sewed some blonde pieces into it just so I can get just a little bit of highlight. Haven't done that in a while. I used to have purple hair a long time ago. I don't know why I keep grabbing these big sections. That's how you know, though, I'm really rushing. It's the 4th of July, so we about to go somewhere. We about to go. Oh, I know what happened. Yeah, we went to my family's house for dinner. But anyways, y'all don't really care about that. Oh, as y'all can see, did I curl that? No, yeah, I curled that away. So basically, I section, if you can tell, I section everything in 4s, and that way I know how everything is laying. And y'all can see the curls, they are forming, they're sitting real pretty. That's what we love. And I'm working my way to the front, but I always just, like, the front pieces, my bangs, I do those last no matter what. Girl, what are you doing? What are you doing, girl? I don't know what I heard. You're also going to need a 1-inch. Oh, wait, maybe this is a 2-inch barrel. Let me see. I don't really know. This barrel might be 2 inches. I'm gonna leave everything down below because right now I don't know and I don't really feel like looking. But I actually made a whole video of me sewing my hair in so y'all can see how I do my middle parts. But I just did not like the way I filmed it. Okay, so now we're about to start on the front. So as y'all can see, my hair is not even to my jaw yet, so it's kind of already layered. And then what I do is I start my layers off wherever my leave out ends. And that's how I begin to cut it. So, y'all might need to go look up some videos of how to cut layers, because honestly, like, it's a whole process. But nonetheless, okay, so we're just separating everything individually, and I'm switching over to my curling wand. And I want to say this is a 1-inch curling wand, and I want to say my curling iron barrel. Oh, I can't talk, y'all. I'm from Alabama. My curling barrel is My curling barrel is 2 inches. I promise you. I think it's 2 inches for real. Now, please don't burn yourself with this wand. I could have easily add the attachment onto this wand to make it easier for me, but I just didn't feel like going into the room and getting the attachment because I was just like, dang, I don't feel like it. But can y'all see how the curls are much, much tighter? They're much tighter in the front, and that's how I was able to achieve like that bombshell look, like that transition. Like the back is just super effortless, but the front I wanted it to be a little tighter. I think I'm gonna try a look where I do this and it's actually like straight, like I do curtain bangs straight. That's the look I'm going for in my next video. My mom is totally distracting me. I hate when she be distracting me like this. But anyways, y'all get the gist of it. I told y'all it is so easy. It is so easy. Anybody can do this hairstyle. The main thing is you want to have layers. Like if you don't have layers, I don't even know what to tell you. Okay, so with your leave out, obviously you want to make sure you blow your leave out and you want it to be straight. And then so what I'm doing is I'm just curling it, like I'm doing a little bump, you know, like they used to do back in the day. I'm doing the bump. Actually what's funny is my hairstylist, when I go get my real hair treated in flat iron, she always bumps my hair when she curls it, and I hate it. I always go home and like I can't wait to like wrap it so the next day it'll be back straight, because I don't really like that old school bump. But the bump is really cute with the Bombshell curls. And so you want to take like a wide tooth comb, and then you just start combing everything out. Just comb it out as much as you can. Well, you don't want to comb the curls out. You just want to comb the tightness out. Unless you like that real tight look. I like mine to kind of look like this. And it looks like really Bombshell-ish. Okay? Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm just teasing my bangs so they can kind of sit out a little farther. And this is just another way that you can style your curtain bangs. You can actually bring them out a little more into the center of your face instead of them being kind of so far apart. And now I'm just taking some hairspray, girl, and I'm just locking in those curls. It's literally just started storming outside as I'm filming this. So my curls, they fell as soon as I stepped outside. Actually, they didn't fall that bad, but it did start like raining a little bit and storming down by my house. But this is just another way. Mine are a little too long, so I just kind of pulled them to the side. But I think this look is just so cute, girl. Okay, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this look. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. And also, if you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.